Wow, this test tube is glowing. It looks so bright. I found it on my table. Let's explore it.
I'll shake it a little. Oh, it's glowing more. Did you see that? That's amazing. Let me shake it again. Now it's even brighter. The light is changing. So cool. Movement makes it glow. Something reacts inside. That's a chemical reaction. Science is as fun.
Let's try in the dark.
I will turn off the lights. Ready? Here we go! Wow, it's so bright now. Much clearer than before. The glow is strong. Beautiful.
The light spreads inside.
It looks like magic. But it's science. So interesting. Dark helps us see the glow. The light was always there. Now it shines more clearly. Great experiment. Wait, I see colors. Blue and green. Now some yellow. So pretty. I'll move it slowly. The colors are changing. They mix together. Amazing. The light flows inside. It looks like glowing liquid. Colors move with motion. So cool! Movement changes the colors. Light reacts inside. Science is amazing! See you next time!